second one should be here. Yeah. Okay. Shouldn't be any issue now. And then this one is the one you need to be careful because you don't want to break the wire. You see this one?
Yeah.
And then you press, you push, and then you pull. That's it. Easy. And then this one, just in, and it comes out. Easy. And then you. Oh. 1, 2, 3, pull. And then here. This is the hardest part. You don't want to break this one. So you pull it, lift it up a little bit, and then lift this up a little bit. Done.
Okay.
And then you see this here?
Yeah.
The finger. Once you lift it up, it started to get tightened already. That's it. And then how you put it back? Like how it was before. Put it in. Cha-ching. And then boom. And then another boom, 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 boom. Back to tight. And then brings back here. Simply plug it in, and then put it from this angle first, and then give it in. Always hold this, and then put in, done, and then put it back. Then it's ready.
Yeah,
Put
so
the screw,
screws.
and it'll be done. Well, fucker. Looks like this is the hardest part. Putting back the screw in the hole. Putting screw in the hole can be hard because you need to twist it. It's more like putting a pole in a hole.
A pole in a hole.
Yeah. I'm talking about just a pole. And done.
Damn.